Would you face the water, tell the tide to turn? If it all goes down in flames, would you bring me water, or would you let me burn?
So I'm just going in with some NARS Radiant Foundation, and we're just going in with the shade Fiji here, and I'm just blending this in with a Peaches foundation brush. Now, this makeup look is inspired for the new James Charles music video. He's just brought out some new music randomly, and I'm absolutely here for it. I absolutely love it. I don't know, I'm just in the motions just now, and I absolutely love this song, so I wanted to create a makeup look for it. So I'm just going over my eyebrows, didn't want to do anything too crazy because I'm just going to be drawing over them, to be fair. So I'm just taking a little bit of NARS Creamy Concealer, and this is in shade Vanilla, and I'm just highlighting some of these areas and blending this all out with a Real Techniques brush. So yeah, I wanted to do something quite fiery, quite smoky, something with like a meaning behind it, because this song is super meaningful. So I'm just taking a little bit of powder and I'm just setting the rest of this face. Then we're going to go in with the Water Activated Paints by Pale Louise. First off, I'm just doing like a base for the eyes, so I'm just going in with this black eyeshadow from Fine, and this is a deep palette, so we're just going straight in with a black eyeshadow and we're just putting this all over our eyelids. It doesn't have to be neat because I am just going to be creating some kind of flame effects just above it. So first off, I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm just like drawing the kind of like flames that I want. Now, this isn't perfect, I'm not the best at this, and if I'm going to be honest, I haven't actually really done creative makeup like this in about 6 months maybe. Yeah, it's been a pretty long time, to be fair, so I was a little bit rusty. It's not my best work, but do you know something, I pulled it out the bag and yeah, pretty happy with it. So I'm just outlining these kind of flame effects, and I do go over it with the water activated liners. So this is the one that we got in, was it the June budget box? So this is a neutral kind of shade one, and it's called You Rock My World, and we're just going in with the black eyeliner in this. So basically you just add a little bit of water and then you just draw, and these are absolutely fantastic and they were really easy to use. And yeah, I definitely need them all now because I'm going to be painting my face all Halloween, all season with these, because they're absolutely fantastic. So yeah. I'm just going over my lips with the black water activated liner again. Again guys, this didn't feel crusty, it didn't crack, it didn't feel uncomfortable, it came off really easy as well. So yeah, I'm really loving these, and I really feel that these are really going to get my creative spark going again. So yeah, I'm quite excited about this. So now I'm just going in with a red eyeshadow, and we're just doing the outside of the flames red, then orange, then yellow in the middle, just to give it that kind of burning sort of effect. And I'm just using normal eyeshadow with this. Again, I'm just using the Fine palette. Now we're just doing the lower flames as well underneath the eyes. I really just wanted to do a little bit more than just the top flames because it just felt like there wasn't enough on my face. But if you guys watch my tutorials, then you'll know I always overdo it. And if it's not with like trying to fill up my face, it's with glitter or something. So yeah. But yeah, we're just doing some flames down the bottom as well now, and I didn't really know what to do with the lips, so I just decided to kind of smudge it out a little bit and like do this kind of smoky kind of effect around my lips. But I felt like there was a lot of flames on the face already, so didn't want to do too much. So I just done a little flame on my nose area, and then I just like smudged out my lips and stuff and made it look quite smoky and quite grungy. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, guys. It was really good, and I'm absolutely loving this James Charles new song just now. It's so good. When you just kind of relate to a song, it just, yeah, so it just kind of got my creative juices flowing a little bit, and I just wanted to create something, so this is what I have came up with. So I'm just applying Lily White Cosmetics lashes in the style Paris. Absolutely love these lashes, they're so fluffy and they're amazing. Definitely check them out on TikTok. because they are absolutely amazing for lashes and cosmetics, guys. I'm always using their lip oils as well. So yeah, so this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Let's go and check out James Charles's new song because it's really, really good. And yeah, this is a look inspired by that music video, or that song. I don't even know if the music video's even out, but yeah, hope you guys love it.